Hi everyone, welcome to How Fix It. In this video guide, I'll show you how to replace the battery in the Apple Watch. To disassemble the Apple Watch, you'll need the following tools: tweezers, plastic tools, glue. I will use B7000 glue due to its high elasticity, anti-vibration, and water-resistant properties. Screen disassembly tool. This tool has a very thin curved metal blade for opening electronic devices with a screen that is difficult to pry with a common plastic tool. I think this is a must-have tool for disassembling all Apple Watch series, because the gap between the screen and the watch body is so thin. I left links where to buy all the necessary tools in the description. Before you start, turn off the Apple Watch. Insert the edge of the curved blade into the thin gap between the display and the watch case. From this position, gradually begin to separate the display. For a more successful opening of the watch case, warm up the surface of the display with a regular hairdryer. To avoid damaging internal components, try not to push the blade deep inside the watch. The Apple Watch battery is glued to the watch body. Use a plastic tool to pry out the battery. Disconnect the battery cable. You can now remove and replace the battery. The replacement battery part number is always marked on the battery itself. In the description, I left a link where to buy the battery for the Apple Watch. Let's start reassembling the Apple Watch. Use double-sided adhesive tape to re-glue the battery to the watch body. Before gluing the display to the main housing, test the watch and check all functions. Let's move on to gluing the display with the housing. This will restore protection from water and dust. You can use a special adhesive sticker for your Apple Watch or silicone glue. In my opinion, for protection against water and dust, glue is more effective. The B7000 glue dries completely after 24 hours. but the minimum surface drying time is 6 minutes. So I recommend waiting at least 45 minutes, after which you can remove excess glue. To fix the display and the main housing, you can use clips or rubber bands. This repair is complete. You're on How Fix It, and see you next time.